In a world where T20 cricket grabs most of the spotlight, Virat Kohli made Test cricket personal. Every run, every stare, every word, he gave it all. And now that journey has ended. Virat Kohli has announced his retirement from Test cricket. He didn't just give us centuries and wins, he gave us moments we will never forget. Let's go back and look at some of the most fiery, emotional, and controversial moments of his Test career. 2012 Sydney, the middle finger incident. During India's tour of Australia, Virat Kohli was fielding near the boundary at the SCG. The Aussie crowd kept abusing him non-stop. Frustrated, Virat Kohli lost his cool and showed them the middle finger. The moment was caught on camera. He was fined 50% of his match fee by the ICC, but Kohli didn't apologize. He later said the abuse had crossed the line. This was the first sign that Kohli was not going to play like others. He was going to play his way. 2014 Adelaide, first test as captain. With MS Dhoni injured, Virat Kohli led India in a highly emotional test after the passing of Phil Hughes. Australia sledged hard. Mitchell Johnson hit him with a bouncer. Brett Hedin kept chirping, but instead of backing off, Virat Kohli fought fire with fire. He scored centuries in both innings, showing what Indian aggression could look like. After the match, he said, "I respect a few of them, but not those who don't respect me." This was a new captain, a bold one. 2017 Bengaluru, the DRS and cheating drama. During a tense test versus Australia, Steve Smith was given out LBW. Instead of deciding on his own, Smith looked up to the dressing room for help with the DRS, a big no-no. Kohli was furious. He did not just point it out, he accused Australia of systematic cheating. Steve Smith called it a brain fade, but Virat Kohli did not accept that. This created major tension between both teams and even between their cricket boards. Virat Kohli later said he would never again call Aussie players friends. 2021 Lord's Test fire in England. At Lord's, India was under pressure. England sledged Bumrah after he bowled a fiery spell to Anderson. Virat Kohli didn't take it lightly. He fired back with words and attitude, targeting Butler and Robinson. His energy lifted the whole team. India came back to win the match in a dramatic fashion. Virat Kohli's leadership and aggression were central to the turnaround. The Anderson rivalry 2014 and 2018. In 2014, Kohli struggled badly in England. James Anderson dismissed him again and again. Virat Kohli faced harsh criticism and questions about his technique. But in 2018, he came back stronger. He scored a massive 593 runs in the series. He handled Anderson with calm confidence and even gave him a dramatic send-off after a catch. A personal battle and a powerful comeback. 2022 Cape Town stump mic outburst. Against South Africa in Cape Town, a DRS decision didn't go India's way. Virat Kohli and his teammates walked up to the stump mic and accused the broadcasters of bias. Virat Kohli said, "Focus on your team as well, not just the opposition." Critics said this was crossing the line, but to fans, it was classic Kohli, always emotional, always involved. 2024 MCG shoulder brush with Sam Constance. In his final test series, Virat Kohli had one last fiery moment at the MCG. He brushed shoulders with 19-year-old debutant Sam Constance. They exchanged words. The glare was sharp, the energy was raw. Fans loved it. It reminded them of vintage Kohli. Later, after the match, they shook hands. Constance called him a legend and a lovely person. It felt like the passing of a torch, one generation to the next. Kohli's test retirement marks the end of an unforgettable era. He did not play to be safe, he played to win and to feel. He gave us drama, fire and passion, but most of all, he gave us memories. Thank you Virat Kohli for making test cricket feel alive.